guys, welcome back to Keep It Wheel in the garage of Mr. Spikes, and today we've got a little project going on. As you can see from the intro, we've got the Translogic Quickshifter. If you recall, Spikes tested the TLR and he absolutely enjoyed the Translogic that was running on that.
Oh, Quickshifter. Oh, that Quickshifter, man. Quickshifter's amazing, man. Need one in my life.
So we thought, you know what? Let's branch out and put one onto the Hayabusa. If this one turns out okay, I think we'll all be following suit pretty soon. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 packs. Couple of stickers. Let's have a quick look what's in there. So there we've got the main module itself. These all connect to the injectors. That's the one section. Let's have a look what's in this pack. Must be special, it's gold. What have we got in here? It's the solenoid that connects to the actual gear shift, which is down there. And here this should actually be the connector rod for the gear shifter. I think these are pretty much universal, so you cut them to suit as per bike. And this one's bloody hard to undo. Let's have a look. Yeah, here we've got the rods, tie wraps. It's an adjustable section. Job done. There's no instructions as such because they're all online, which you can get at www.translogic.com. Here we go. But we don't need that because we don't need instructions because we're real men. Right, okay, we've laid it all out on the floor, and as you can see, these connectors, they split your coil packs. This is what cuts your ignition for the actual Quickshifter. Now on the Suzuki, this is come as a pre-wired for Suzuki and Hondas. If it was a Yamaha or a Kawasaki, these yellow dots, these ones there, you have to switch the wires over. You see how you've got a grey one and a white one? You'd switch these over. So it's literally just get a fine screwdriver, push the connectors in there, these push out, switch them over, and then that's ready for your the fitment to the Yamaha or the Kawasaki. But we're fitting it Suzuki, so it's straight off the factory. Right, these little sensors, this is the bit that's worth all the money. It's a universal fitment, so it's you've got your standard pattern shift, which is most people have got for road bikes, or you've got race pattern. Now when you order that, they ask you which one you want. So we obviously wanted road going, so this comes with the connector. I can find it, there you go. The colours are the same in it, or it comes with a road pattern shift. So that literally is plug and play. These are all plug and play, literally, and they're all colour coded to suit your standard wiring loom. So these are literally plug and play. Your little sensor that mounts to the front of your push rod, which is here. And the best thing to do, which I've found, is if you mark where this lever is exactly by putting a couple of bits of masking tape looking straight through, and when you dismantle it, you take your adjustable rods and then you literally just assemble it all, and then you can just adjust it slightly and get this rod to where it needs to be. But I'll show you that as we get to it. So the first port of call now is we're going to look where we're going to mount this. Luckily, we've got quite a big boot on the Suzuki, so that will be housed in there. We'll just follow all the tie wrapping all the harness, lift up the tank, take the airbox off, get to the injectors, and we'll go through it step by step, and we'll show you how we do it. Okay guys, a little bit of a fast forward. As you can see, we've got the tank raised, we've got the seat off, back end's exposed. We've also took the airbox off. Now here is the airbox, as you can see. So when this is in situ like that, there's a 10mm nut at the front there. You can take your air filter out just to clean it, as just a bit of a good practice. Now, to the side, you'll see the couple of connectors. They've got a push type connector. Push, pull this one off. There's another sensor here, that's got a same type of connector. Through to the air breather, which connects to the top of the engine. Pull that off and undo these here. It's a posi drive screwdriver. One sort of like undoes both of the injectors, and same opposite side there. So once that's all done, make sure that 10mm nut's out. Literally just wiggle it out slowly. Just watch all your cables as you pull it out, and then that reveals your actual coil packs. Right, I did say earlier that they connect to the injectors. No, they don't. They actually connect to the coil packs. Hopefully you can see all the coil packs there. Now your harness from the miniature ECU connects to each individual coil pack. Now they are colour coded, although we've found that this one on the actual ECU unit supplied, it's a brown and a grey one, whereas on the standard it's a black and grey. But the rest of them are all colour coded, so there's no problem there. Right, we're thinking best to mount this now in the boot. So here's the little Intellishift ECU. We're going to be mounting this, and it comes with a real sticky pad, sticky pad. We're going to mount that there. We're going to neatly trace all the wires across, tie wrapping as we go. One connector is going to drop down there. Now this little section, earlier I did say it mounts to the front. It doesn't. With this type of arrangement, it mounts to the back. We'll put the connector rods the same size as these, take the wire up and through, feed it through the frame, making sure it doesn't go right through, as in so it can touch the chain. We'll just tie wrap it neatly out to existing wires, connect to the ECU, then run the rest of the harness through to the coil pack, splitting the coil packs, and reassemble. Job done, ready for a test at the weekend. What we're going to do first, we're going to assemble the actual solenoid push connector here. So what we've done, as I said before, we'll put two pieces of tape so they're actually in line with the actual gear shift lever, so that we know what sort of angle this is at, because obviously this is set and it's comfy, you know, and it works as it does. So we need to get that in that same position. So a couple of little pieces of tape either side, which gives us a level. So when we change this rod, as long as we've got roughly the right length, we can adjust it with the adjusters. Okay guys, what you can see is we've adjusted the rods with these adjustable rods. We've cut them down to size to suit, and what we've tried to do is match this rod with the actual sensor, and we've matched the length of that. With that, we've adjusted it so that this falls in line again exactly with your previous tape line, so you've got the lever where it was. Then what we've done here, we've followed the wire up, we've taped it to an existing wire using the tie wraps that are in there, up and through, connecting to the ECU, the Intelli ECU. We've yet just to connect the earthen wire to the battery, and just tidy up some of the wires in there, just get them out of the way. This is where we've mounted the Intellishift ECU. There it is. It's velcroed on in there, also supplied in the kit. And the existing wires are coming down through. We've tie wrapped them up as we've gone. We've yet to cut the tie wraps off. Fed it through the frame, all neatly tie wrapped together. Come up, down, and then they actually split each coil with these with the connectors, neatly tucked away for when we put the airbox there. There's nothing in the way of the airbox. It's as it was, all connected. So now it's just earth strap, airbox on, tighten everything up, seat back on and whatnot, and it's going to be a road test. Everything's all buckled up now, tanks back down, all your wiring's connected. We've got the earth strap connected, any excess wire we've looped, tie wrapped. It's all nice and neat, all looped up lovely. So just a quick test for you. If you just look at this, you'll see a little green LED light. If we were just to fire the bike up, just fire it up for you. This don't become live until it actually starts. So, as you can see, it's working there. System is in operation. All that needs to be done now is a road test. Just check it all out. See how smooth it is on the actual road and whatnot. We're out for a ride this weekend, and we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, guys. That's it for tonight. I hope this video has been some help to you. If it has, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Until then, guys, keep it wheel. Hi kids, welcome back to Keep It Wheel. Hope you're well.